This is a really cool fan for air circulation. Let me show you some of the features it has. The first thing I want to talk about is how quiet it is. So let me go ahead and turn it on. So this is on its lowest setting. I've got it right up next to my head. I'm not really sure if you can hear anything at all or not. It is really quiet on the slowest setting. Let me go ahead and turn it up. So I'm going up to 4, 5, 6. So you can hear it getting louder as I go all the way up. This is level 12. This is as loud as it gets. So this is kind of what it sounds like. I've got my mic right here. It's about a foot away from the mic. So this is kind of as loud as it gets on the highest setting. And as you can see me doing the controls, it is touchscreen, which is a nice touch. List the temperature on it so I know how warm it is. And this has an eco mode that monitors the room temperature and it adjusts itself as needed. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. I've tried out a lot of fans, but most fans don't have nearly as many features as this has. This is really cool. Let me go ahead and open the back here. I put the remote control in it. I don't know if that's what it's meant for. In fact, I don't think it is, but I like the fact that it has this in the back so you can put the cord when you're ready to store this, or you can put the remote control like I like to do so I don't lose it. I have a lot of kids who walk around with remotes. Or you can just put it on the front of this fan like this, and you can actually use the remote on the front of the fan if you don't want to press the bottom of the fan. The remote control gives you all the same features that you can press on the bottom of the fan. So you can do things like turn the light on or off, or you can set timer settings if you want a timer, or you can turn on the eco mode. And this is a circulating fan, so it does tilt up and down and rotate left and right. So if you're trying to regulate the air in the room, whether it's winter and you have a heater on, or it's summer and you have a cooler on, this is a great way to push all the air in the room so the whole room's all the same temperature. And because this is so low to the ground, this is also a great option for things like drying off the floor. I also like to use this to dry fruit leather, and if you have a desk large enough, you could set this on the desk right next to your face, and it's so quiet that it won't be a big distraction. This is a great fan with a lot of different features. Thanks for watching.